Alright, we have our 1916 Spanish rifle converted to 7.62 Nato, and at 100 yards seems to be shooting a tad bit high, 6 inches high, and to the right. Okay, which I believe at 50 yards that's what we seen, but it wasn't that terrible because of the closer distance. So I'm going to try to put 5 down there using Kentucky windage and hit our bullseye. Alright, so like I said, at 100, it's still shooting to the right even though I'm aiming way to the left. I'm going to try moving it over some more. But I don't know if that front sight is driftable. I'll have to look at it. And handguard and cleaning rod come up on this. So I got to look into the mounting system. But I'm going to try again. Put 5 in there. Alright, and as for these guns, you know, the receiver's stretching and set back on the bolt and everything because this is way too powerful. I have headspace gauges, and I'll headspace this again after it's been about 20-30 rounds and see if there's any noticeable difference in the headspace. Alright, we'll go down and look at the target now. Okay, at 100 yards with our 1916 rifle. Shooting kind of like down here with the sights and aiming. That's where I was getting all these to the right and high. And some of these actually, when I was aiming here at the bottom, I kind of got these. Of course, finally, I was not being interrupted and was able to sit, focus to the corner, line the sight up straight, aim at this corner at 100 yards, and that's the group I got. There's 3 shots touching, 4 or 5. So this rifle is very accurate. It's just the sights are off. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 inches high, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 inches high and 8 inches to the right at 100 yards is the point of impact with the ammo I'm using. So the gun is capable of accuracy, it's just the sights are not adjusted correctly. So that's something. And again, like I said, I'll check the headspace to make sure that the receiver isn't stretching.